The BMP Manul infantry fighting vehicle is planned to receive the new generation Epoch combat module. This is an advanced turret armed with a 57mm autocannon, which gives the IFV the ability to reliably strike with artillery fire from long range. This was reported by RIA Novosti news agency. Accordingly, the Kurganmashzavod plant is engaged in experimental design work to create a new version of the Manul infantry fighting vehicle platform. This combat vehicle will be protected against 30mm round and artillery shell splinters. It is capable of maneuvering in all difficult terrain conditions, including when overcoming water obstacles without preparation. In addition, modern 57mm rounds will provide more functions. Once the development work is completed, mass production will be officially announced. Installing a combat module with a 57mm automatic gun instead of the original proposed 30mm one will allow the BMP to perform a much wider range of tasks, guaranteed to hit enemy light ammo vehicles from a greater distance. At the moment, the vehicle is at the stage of development work. The final appearance of the BMP has not yet been determined, so the option with the Epoch is quite rare. For the first time, the Manul infantry fighting vehicle was presented at the Army 2020 forum. At the same time, it was reported that the new BMP combined developments on new modifications of the BMP-3 and Boomerang. Initially, it was assumed that the machine will receive an uninhabited combat module with a 30mm automatic cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and cornet anti-tank systems. Also in the original version, the BMP had front engine and a landing compartment for 8 people located in the aft. Entrance and exit is carried out through a reclining ramp. But this is not the final version. The module is also equipped with modern optical electronic sights and a digital fire control system. The placement of the commander and gunner operator depends on the type of fighting compartment. According to the manufacturer, the vehicle can reach a maximum road speed of up to 70 km per hour, 55 km per hour with off-road terrain, and 9.5 km on water. The Manul project was developed with the aim of improving the ergonomics of the base BMP-3 and increasing the level of protection. In addition, the tube compartment has been redesigned. It has become larger and more comfortable, and the stern ramp makes it easier to get on and off. The larger 57mm projectiles is guaranteed to penetrate shot armor from a distance of up to several kilometers. High performance is also achieved when firing at other targets, including buildings and tanks. Thus, the new version of Manul combines a fairly high level of protection, increased firepower, and a certain ease of production and operation. At the same time, the vehicle is able to solve the same tasks as the base infantry fighting vehicle BMP-3. Probably, such a combination of characteristics and capabilities may be of interest to the customer.